What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for another Dashcam review. So it's been a while since I've done a Dashcam review, but the people at Vantrue here came out with their new N1 Pro Dashcam. So the N1, the original one I reviewed back in 2016, has always been my go-to recommendation for someone that wants an affordable Dashcam. You know, they don't need a million features, they just want something to record the road ahead and not spend a ton of money, which is what most Dashcam buyers want. And so this one is really good. So these start at $80. But there's coupons and things out there to get them for even less than that sometimes. And you can check the description, for any kind of promotion they're offering currently. But the N1 Pro here, so it's a really small little dash cam, has a tiny little screen, which I think is actually really nice whenever it's mounted to the windshield, because it means you don't have this massive, iPhone type screen hanging off of your windshield there. It's very discreet, and is it still does all the same great stuff. It's a 1080p camera. It has a Sony sensor. It has a parking mode, all that type of stuff. You can hardwire it in if you want to use that parking mode all the time, where it'll detect motion and start recording. But otherwise it just plugs right into your cigarette lighter there, and has a nice long cable to go along with it. But it's a really good little dash cam. It doesn't do like the 1440p like some of the more expensive ones, but again, most people don't need something that high res. They also have these new and improved suction cup mounts you see there, which help it to have a little more stability and help it to not fall off as much as the previous Vantrues, which do sometimes fall off the dashboard and the windshield from time to time. But yeah, so anyway, here's some footage of it here. This is a nice sunny day, and you can see it's a really nice image quality here. So the colors are a little oversaturated. That's really the only complaint that I think I have, but it's not too far off, and it does give it a very vibrant image, and does look very good, I have to say. Again, for a dash cam that costs this much, there's some that are double this price that don't have quality this good. So I think that's why Vantrue's kind of been one of my top picks as far as value goes. But nice sunny day here. You can see everything is nicely exposed the right way, and everything looks very natural and does a really good job with that. And out on the highway here, you can also see, like for example, this Porsche 911 Turbo that was passing. You can read their license plate there if you pause the video and you're looking at a full 1080p image. And so that's really important. Again, with dash cams, you want to make sure you can see license plates and stuff if you ever have an accident or something like that. And so this does a very good job of doing that, both in the daytime here, especially whenever you get close up, you can read them very easily there. And so it does a really good job with that in the daytime, which isn't so hard in the daytime. Usually it's not too bad, but it does do a nice job of not overexposing anything so that you can see that very clearly. But then whenever you go to the night footage, you'll see that even at night, and even with this Mazda 6 that I'm driving currently, it has very bright headlights, and sometimes if the light hits the plate just right, it'll still look a little overexposed. But for the most part, you could see that license plate when we were at that red light there, and so that's really good, because a lot of other dash cams, that stuff gets all blurred out at night, and so it's nice that it controls that while still doesn't make everything else super dark. Like here we have almost complete darkness. It's kind of late dusk here, and it does a really good job of showing the road, but it also will be able to see the surroundings reasonably well. The street lamps, the street signs, you can see a do not enter sign there on the left, all that type of stuff you can still see very clearly, and even if the headlights aren't pointed straight at those things. And so it does a really good job. I have to say, this is one of the best dash cams, I think, video quality wise, and again, being one of the most affordable ones that they offer, and very competitive with a lot of other stuff out there. I think it does a really good job once again. Here we have some highway footage at night with street lamps, which kind of illuminates it a little bit better, and you can see the image quality just gets even clearer. And yeah, again, just really good night footage, because some really struggle with this of the balance between seeing the road clearly and seeing the other things clearly. But anyway, the N1 Pro is available. There's a link in the description below if you're interested in it. If you have any questions about it, you can definitely ask them in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, you can also check out my other Vantrue dash cams if you want other ones that also show like a forward-facing camera, to see the occupants inside. Those are handy for Uber drivers and things like that. And there's several other Vantrue dash cams if you do want to spend more money with higher resolution and more features. But anyway, let me know your thoughts about this one in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.